Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the merge tool. But let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We do have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, now we have covered the merge tool in a few past videos, but not in depth. It was kind of comparing it with other things. So today we'll be looking at just the merge in itself. So a few things to know about merge. If you merge things together, they become basically a single shape, or a single shape on your layers and that. So they're no longer individual, where if you use a group or something like that, it'll throw it into a folder and you can easily edit it still. So then let's quickly look at a few different things that it can do, and also where to locate it. So to locate the merge, obviously you will need more than one object selected for a merge to work. So if we select these three little triangles, the RGB, then to locate it, we can go here to object, and then you go down till you find merge. The shortcut for that is also Control-Shift-B. Another way you can do that is you right click and then you go down the menu to merge. Now if we look here on our layers panel on the right, we can see the RGB as individual little layers. Now if they unfold it will also merge it down, and then ultimately it will merge it down to one layer, and in return they will all lose their individual colors because it will turn into one shape, a single shape. Now in the design world we kind of see name it as a destructive editing. So in other words, to undo it, you don't simply pull it out of a group or folder. You kind of have to break it apart, get it its original colors and so forth. So we try this, we right click and we go to merge. As we can see now in our layers panel, it's changed the layer name to merge, and it's given it one color, which will be its kind of how do you put it, I want to say the parent, but it's actually more the child. So it's a layer right on top. So if we quickly just undo that, and let's say we put the green on top, select all of these. So now this layer is actually higher than all the rest. Right click and go merge. Now you'll see all of them is green. So you can keep that in mind when you're actually merging objects. Then another feature which is quite unique to the merge is the child object. In other words, the object on top of another object will make a cutout into the bottom object. So if we had to take the star and put it on top of this other shape, then as we can see now it's higher than it, and here on our layers panel we can see it is higher than the blue object or shape. So now if we select both of them and then we go to object, we go to merge, then we'll see once again it took the color of the top one, but now it's actually made a cutout of the top shape. So in other words, the child. So if we take this shape and we move it over these, we can see, you can actually see right through it. So it's actually made a cutout of it. So it's a handy tool like that if you're trying to make cutouts of shapes. And keep in mind, if you want, you can always go object and then break apart. And what that will do, it will kind of break those two objects apart. Now the star shape, if we go in this folder, it's still there. It's just it's changes color back to the or it's left it at its color it was when it was merged. So if we had to change this, let's say to like red, then you can see the shapes are back there. Once again, you can always select them, just repeat the process. You go merge, and then we'll make a cutout of whichever shape is higher than the previous one. So yeah, that is it on merging. Very handy tool. You'll find yourself using it a lot if you want to more finalize your designs. But otherwise, if we head here to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, as you can see here. And also you can isolate your search if you're looking for anything specific. Just go here to the top right. And then If you still run dry and you don't find what you're looking for, you can always go request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.